Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Ron Daily 55's Old School Music Review podcast. This morning it's Hip Hop Tuesdays and I'll feature Naughty by Nature. The members Tretch, Vin Rock, and DJ KG. The group is hip hop's only commercially successful group that still has what they call street cred. They had never before heard flows and also some beats that made them heroes in the books of many. For songs you can listen to Feel Me Flow, Uptown Anthem, Everything's Alright, or Everything's Gonna Be Alright, Hip Hop Hooray, Scuffing Those, and they had that as the new style. They also had the song Jamboree and others. They work for the labels MCA, TVT, Tommy Boy, Warner Brothers, Arista, and BMG. They were active from 1988 to 2002, and after a break, they came back in 2006 and remains active. They're originated in East Orange, New Jersey, and they're known for the genres hip hop and also East Coast hip hop. So until next time, hope you have a great day. Remember, God loves you. Jesus is the only way.